The first thing you have to understand who created the difference. Before 1947, if there was a crisis in Karachi, every Indian was feeling pain. When there was a problem in Calcutta, every people who are living in Lahore, they were also feeling pain before 1947, because it was one nation. So who created the division? Politicians. Both Jinnah and Nehru both wanted to become prime minister, head of the state. That's why it was divided. Both had the ambition that I should become the head of the state. Jinnah also wanted to become head of the state. Nehru also wanted to. So they divided the country. If you go into the roots, it was politics and religion. And British, they thought that this continent is so rich potentially, and it is a large country. If we don't divide, it will become a world power. India and Pakistan living together, it will become a world power. So they created their politics, divide and rule. That was British politics. So the politician divided the country. People were living together. Before Indian independence, people were living together, This was the Muslim League and Hindu Mahasabha. They created the division. Otherwise, people were happy together. And they were fighting together against the British, Khilafat movement, The Hindu and Muslim were together fighting with the British. So it was a British diplomacy that to divide, and then the ambition between both Jinnah and Nehru both wanted to become the head of the state. So that's why they have divided the country. If they would have accepted Jinnah as a president of united country, there would be no division. Or if they have accepted Nehru as a head of the undivided country, there would have been no difference. So religion and politics, I again say that root cause of all division, all war is the politics and religion. People want to live together, people want to live in peace, people want prosperity, but the religious people create division, Hindu, Muslim, Christian, So we have to revise politics and we have to revise religion. There should be spirituality, no religion, and in politics also we should have to bring spirituality. People should understand the living together, compassion, the brotherhood, to understanding others' pain. Those things should be taught to politicians. They are becoming over ambitious. For winning election, they can do anything. Just remaining on the chair, the politicians are ready to do anything. So that culture has to be changed. Otherwise, again, the India and politics. And look, when there was a corona crisis in India, just before people were dying in India, people were crying in Pakistan, innocent people. They were praying in masjid for the Indians, because their culture is same. They have lived together for centuries, They speak the same language. They eat the same food, kurta pajama, same sari. Everything is common except the politics and religion. You just eliminate the politics and religion, again the world will become the one family. Technology has made it already one family, and without erasing the line of discrimination which religion and politics has created, there is no future. There will be war. There again we will have to spend 80% of our resources in useless things like RAW and CIA and KGB and ISI. These are why you need this intelligence agency, just to create difference in other country. Anything good they have done in the whole history, all the intelligence agency, except killing and creating problems, and you don't know their budget, how much they spend. Nobody knows their budget. So we are supporting death. My request is that we should support life, and we should support love. It is possible. It is possible. Living together is possible.